Yes, my people, big up on yourself in the day. Don't know, say a boy new link there, people. Sun is really hot today. You get what me I say? Sun really hot today, people. I said, boy, I try run across the road, man. Can't lick on a boy. Yes, people. They have come to talk about a thing right now when you link see I go on and now, people. Don't know, so they are the beautiful Providenciales Turks and Caicos. Watch you know. Hey, like a bar that you carry the boy and drive so. Hey. Give him license. Yes, my people. Big up on yourself, I don't know. Well, right about now, people, we come to talk about this thing now. For many Jamaicans right now, people, they have no Christmas to celebrate. You get me, I say? Because here's some talk now. Crime is down by 20%. You get me, I say? Which is really stupid. I don't really see the sense of like talking about that's a crime down 20%. Just imagine if say 1,000 people did kill did murder last year, people, right? So now this year 800 murder, I got say crime down 20%. How much people? I mean, know some way more than people dead at Jamaica since years now. Just to show us some people. Well, for many Jamaicans who have gone with a look up the whole thing, you understand? People in the street where they are Jamaica with New Link. And most Jamaicans say, yo, they must see the Christmas. Them not go see the Christmas, them not feel the Christmas because number one, them safety is not there again. You get normally when they could have got Grand Market and bleach the whole night, them can't do it again. See? Normally when they could have paint up their house and put on some new curtain, they cannot do it again. Because you have some local perpetrators now and some local thief. You understand? When them see the people and do them thing, they start fix up themselves, then see the people have money. And they pray if you can rob them and take the people them things. So the people say no prevention better and cure better, me just live in them. Make you stay same way. So they say me not have money. Just to show you what Jamaicans say right now. Remember the days when people were there on the street, man, at bleach. You get me? When I got Grand Market, I go like from 4:30 in the evening. And the next morning like 1, 2 o'clock me I reach home because we're going to bleach the whole night. And when we're done, we're going to go see in the morning and then thing there. And easy back in the town with the friend them look see them here. You get me as a people? But time has changed. Different now. Different man, different. Remember them time there, people? When them do say crime and place body now, you hear about Kingston. I understand. Not even more be here that hear about. I just be Kingston and Spanish Town and them places we hear about with badness. See? But no. We're in Jamaica, you can't say nobody. When I 14 parish them people. Every part. See? Every part. You fight God you have now. The wrongdoers them them run. When them hear the police are come there so they run. And try to go in a place them kind of make peace. But to the boy them mind corrupt and the boy they have this killing thing in their mind and their mentality. Anyway them got them have to bring the killing with them. And it cause a lot of, you hear me I say? So the Christmas the day of Jamaica people, not the Christmas the day for celebrate. Because if I can't have fun in a sense you no Christmas, I tell you the truth people. It don't make no sense. So when man end up turn upon the foreigner them, you look at return resident and I kill them off. Eh? You look at people that could have go employ some Jamaican and give them some Christmas job and give them Christmas money. See? The foreigner they afraid to come there now. So look, enough local people used to get one shoes for a local foreigner and get a couple soap and you know what I mean, get a little money in them pocket. They not get this at Christmas. So they must celebrate Christmas. Because the foreigners ain't coming out, they cancel them ticket, them change it, them now but they come. Just to show no what go on. What the cause of that? You look at dirty perpetrators them. A straight attack for them man. Attack the whole link a drop for you. Yo, people me can't believe that people nowadays is just thief and corrupt and yo. A bad mind still in the people. Most things you see are me because of bad mind and grudge and envy. And next man alive you see a next man rise. You get me? You get red eye. Yo people, let me tell you something. I'm telling you people mind is corruptive and I think a house easy for make. When I see a man make a 2-bedroom and a bathroom and a kitchen and you look all the way and dining area, you get me as a people? I think it's easy so if you make a house and next you go put furniture in there and them thing there. The AC are cool, one of the people AC are too cool man, jeez. Here, the thing it's easy, me I be honest. I have some man now who just want to come easily Easily. And I expect when you see a man make yours, if he come bad mind him, fight him, and you want to bring that, yo, I'm telling the man, you say, oh no. You say, oh no, we are growing on a bad mind people before they have. You don't want to go rob the people, them, see? You know if you go enjoy for yourself, because some of no thief, you know. Christmas time when you do drink out the money, gamble out the money, smoke out the money, go party with the much girl. See? Then New Year's you know broke like dog and gone thief again and police are going to kill you. Remember that. Police are going to kill you. I think you're the police and kill you. Eh? Yo. Let me tell you this man. Hard work. When you work hard people and see